Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your West Brom mortgage account. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser on your PC. Now go to Google search bar and then search for West Brom mortgage login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of West Brom mortgage. Now, what you need to do is log into your mortgage account. So click existing customers and click view your mortgage account online. Now write down the date of birth, write down the surname, write down the postcode of mortgage property and mortgage account number associated with the West Brom mortgage account. Let me show it to you once again. Go ahead and click on the first link after searching West Brom mortgage login. It will lead you to this page where you can see there's option of login into your saving customers or mortgage customers. So if you are an existing customer and you want to log into your saving portal, click saving portals and it will lead you to another login portal where you can write down your savings account number, your date of birth, your PIN and click submit. After that, write down your password and click sign in. Then you can log into your savings account. And if you want to log in to your mortgage account, you can click on this link over here, which will lead you to this login portal where you can write your date of birth, your surname, postcode of mortgaged property, your mortgage account number and click submit. Then write down your password, click sign in and you can successfully sign in to your West Brom mortgage account. If you want to track your mortgage application, click this link and create a new account for yourself in West Brom mortgage. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.